Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on making an audiobook using ElevenLabs. So first you will have to go to elevenlabs.io. Then you will have to click on the speech synthesis tab or text to speech, which you can find on the left sidebar. And you're just gonna have to click on it and just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will have to upload or paste your script into the text box. And then after that, you will have to choose your preferred voice from the drop down. You can use default voices or the ones that you've already created. And then you will have to click generate to create audio. Once it processes, hit the download icon to save the file. If your audiobook has multiple chapters, you will have to break it into sections and generate each one separately. Organize and compile them using free tools like Audacity or any basic audio editor. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.